In this video, you'll learn how to delete items from your eBay account. By following these steps, you will successfully remove unwanted listings from your profile. Begin by signing in to your eBay account. Once you've logged in, navigate to My eBay located at the top right corner of the homepage. In the My eBay section, you will see various options including listings. Click on Listings to view all your active items. It is important to identify the item you wish to delete from your account. Before proceeding, ensure that the listing is not currently active or receiving bids, as this will affect your ability to delete it. If the item you want to delete is still active, you must first end the listing. To do this, locate the item within the active listings and click on the button labeled End Listing. A prompt will appear asking you to select a reason for ending the listing. Choose the appropriate reason from the provided options. After selecting, confirm your action to close the listing immediately. Wait a moment for the status to update to ended. Remember, you cannot delete an item that is still active, so this step is crucial before moving on. Once the listing status shows as ended, proceed to the unsold or sold section, depending on the status of your item. Here you will find a list of items that you have sold or that remain unsold. Locate the item you wish to delete once again. Next to the item, you will see an option labeled Delete. Click on this option to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the listing. Confirm the deletion to remove the item from your view. It is essential to note that while the item will be deleted from your listings, eBay may still retain transaction records internally for future reference. This means that even though the item is no longer visible in your account, some data may still exist on eBay servers. That wraps up today's guide on deleting items from your eBay account. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.